how to create a home decor store on Shopify and make money online. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make your own Shopify store in order to make money with it. So let's get started, guys, by showing you how you can do that. So first, let's show you how you can create your account in the platform. So here, type Shopify in your search and click on the first link you're going to see and give it a few seconds to load. And here you enter your email and you click on start a free trial. After that, you will proceed to this page, which will be your dashboard, and this is where you're going to create your own store. So you can just go with the setup guide, or you can just close it, and then you can go to online store, where you're going to choose your theme, and it's where you're going to check your store as well. So here, by clicking on this button in here, you can view your online store, or you can just click on this one in here as well, and both of them will take you here where you're going to see how does your store look like. So let's go back, let's close this one, and here let's scroll down to choose the theme that we're going to use for our store. So here let's scroll down, click on themes. That's not what we wanted to go to. Let's close this one, click on visit theme store, explore more themes, and here we'll be able to see other themes. So just give it a few seconds to load. It's where we're going to choose our theme. So here we have a lot of themes, as you can see, 173 themes, and just 12 of them is free and the others are paid themes. As you can see, this one costs $320, $360. This one is free. So here let's go to filter by free. We want to choose just the free theme. When you make some money with it, you can then upgrade your theme, but for the start, just make sure to use the free one. So here let's scroll down to see the themes that we have. So we want a theme that will go with the home decor store. So let's see if we can find a theme with furniture in it. There we have this one, which is called craft. Let's scroll down to see what else we have. Let's check this one, which is craft. Click on the theme, and here click on try theme, or you can just view demo store first before trying the theme. So here let's check the theme and see if we like it. Sustainably crafted goods to elevate your everyday. By choosing the theme, it will be just like the starting ground. Then you can edit the theme, make it more fit with your requirements. So here let's scroll to see the theme. Flatware, silverware, dinnerware. I think this theme will suit our requirements. So let's click on try theme, and then just close the first window, and here wait for it to be added to your online store themes. And then you will be able to choose it as your main theme by clicking on publish. I'm going to show you how you can do that. Just wait for it to load. Give it a few seconds. Just give it a few seconds, guys. And let's refresh. It seems like it didn't want to load. And let's wait for it again to be loaded, and here it is. You successfully added craft. So here, scroll down, click on publish the theme you've added, which is craft. It's his name. Click on publish, and here click on publish to publish the theme. And then let's check our store to see how it's looking. So this is your store after adding that theme. This is how the store looks like. Here, let's go back to start adjusting our store. Click on customize, and wait for it to load. So this is the store, guys. This is our store. You can just click on whatever that you want to adjust, and then you will be able to adjust it. For example, if we start with the announcement bar, you will be able to adjust it in here. Then if you went to the header, you will be able to adjust it too in here. Same thing with the rich texts, the heading, and the pages that you have in here, the collections, the product pages as well. And if you want to add another page, you can check this one, the email sign up page, and here you have the footer as well. You can adjust it too. And if you want to change the colors, you go to this theme settings, and here you will be able to upload your logo first. You can select an image to be your logo. You can choose the desktop width of your logo. Let's say, for example, this width, or if you want to make it this. And here, by scrolling down, you will be able, let's close this one, and here we have the colors. You will be able to choose the scheme that you would like. Let's say we want to use this one. This is the one that we have in here. If you want to use it, you can choose these ones, and these are the schemes that you have. So here you can choose the scheme that you'd like to be the one that you're looking. And here we have typography. If you want to change the style of the text, the font size scale, you can change the font in here. You can choose the one that you would like. And by closing this one, here also you can change the layout in here, the animations, buttons. Let's make them rounded. So you don't have that option. You can just make them rounded by choosing the scales in here, the percentage of them, the opacity. This is where you make them rounded or shaped. So you scroll to see a button, this one here. Let's see if we can change the opacity. And here you can make a lot of changements to your theme. And that's it, guys, for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.